Good morning, everyone. This is our daily agenda for March 1st. So we are continuing on with The Outsiders for today. We are reading chapter 11 and we're doing our free write on chapter 10. You should be up to at least chapter 10 on your chapter responses. So for our free write today, Pony wants to be sure he asked for dairy when he was sick. So does comforting and caring for Pony. Do you think people need siblings? Why or why not? If you don't have a sibling, explain how you feel about that. If you do, are your siblings an important part of your life, and in what ways? So I really want you guys to kind of unpack what's it like with your families. What are your families look like? Do you have half siblings? Do you have step siblings? Do you have cousins that are like your siblings? I want you guys to just kind of talk about it and talk about if they're important to you or not. Then we are moving on to The Outsiders, chapter 11, page 138. This is a shorter reading, ladies and gentlemen. You guys should know that after we have such a short reading, it's just really time for you guys to work on those chapter response pages in class. So you guys should at least be up to chapter 11. We read chapter 11 today, so you should have all the connections to make for up to chapter 11. If you guys have any questions on how to fill these in, always let us know. I'm not looking for 50 plus sentences. I'm looking for you guys to try your best. And then our exit ticket discussion, we talked about that second question. What do you think? Ponyboy insists that he is the one who killed Bob and keeps saying that Johnny isn't dead. What does the doctor say about why Pony does this? So you guys will have that time to unpack that. As always, if you guys have questions, me, Miss Arroyo, and Miss Reyes are here for you guys. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class.